Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into a super exciting and fast growing field, big data. Whether you're curious about what a big data professional does, how the career path looks, or how to find the right job opportunities, I've got you covered. By the end, you will know how to start and grow your big data career in 2025 and beyond. Let's jump right in. What is big data and what does a big data professional do? So, what exactly is big data? Simply put, it's the process of collecting, storing, and analyzing huge volumes of data, often from diverse and complex sources, to uncover insights that traditional data processing tools can't handle. Big data professionals build and maintain systems that process these massive data sets. This includes setting up pipelines, managing data lakes, writing code for distributed computing, and enabling data scientists and analysts to access clean, reliable data. The typical big data career path plus job search tips. Big data engineer or junior role, 0 to 2 years of experience. So when you are starting in big data, your role might be called as big data engineer, junior data engineer, or Hadoop developer. You'll focus on learning the ecosystem, Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, and working with data pipelines. Here are some job search tips. Look for roles titled junior big data engineer, big data developer, or data engineer intern. Job descriptions will often ask for basic experience with Hadoop ecosystem tools, SQL, Linux, and some programming skills like Python, Java, or Scala. Companies may see candidates with some cloud knowledge like AWS or Azure. Application advice: highlight any coursework projects or internships involving distributed computing, data pipelines, or cloud platforms. Emphasize your eagerness to learn complex systems and ability to troubleshoot. Mid level big data engineer, 2 to 5 years. After gaining solid experience, you will become a full big data engineer. You'll design, build, and optimize data pipelines, integrate data from various sources, and work closely with data scientists. So, here are some job search tips. Target roles named Big Data Engineer, Data Pipeline Engineer, or Data Platform Engineer. Look for job descriptions requiring expertise in Spark, Kafka, Hadoop, cloud services, and scripting languages. You may also see requirements for knowledge in database systems and data modeling. Application advice: demonstrate your experience with large scale data processing, pipeline optimization, and collaboration with analytics team. Highlight projects where you improve data reliability and processing speed. Senior big data engineer or architect, 5 to 8 years of experience. So at this level, you are designing entire big data architectures and leading complex projects. You might be a senior engineer, data architect, or big data specialist. So here are some job search tips. Look for titles like senior big data engineer, data architect, or big data solutions architect. Job descriptions will require skills in architecture, design, cloud infrastructure, security, and leadership. You will be expected to mentor juniors and guide best practices. Here are some application advice. Highlight your experience designing scalable, secure data systems. Talk about your leadership on projects and any experience training or mentoring others. Leadership roles, 8 plus years of experience. So finally, there are leadership roles such as Big Data Manager, Director of Data Engineering, or Chief Data Officer. Here are some job search tips. Search for roles mentioning team leadership, strategic data infrastructure planning, budget management, and executive communication. Job descriptions may also ask for experience aligning data strategy with business goals. Application advice: emphasize your leadership strategies, initiatives, and ability to manage teams and resources. Key skills to master at each stage. To advance, focus on these skills. Entry level: Hadoop basics, Linux, SQL, programming in Python or Java, Scala. Mid level: go for Spark, Kafka, cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, GCP, data modeling. For senior roles, go for architecture design, security, system optimization, leadership. For leadership roles, team management, strategy, budgeting, cross team collaboration. Also, always tailor your resume to the keywords from job descriptions. It's crucial for passing applicants' tracking system. How to stand out and accelerate your growth. To speed up your career growth, build a portfolio with projects on GitHub demonstrating data pipelines or cloud setups. Get certifications like AWS Certified Big Data Specialty, Cloudera, or Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer. Network on platforms like LinkedIn, attend big data meetups, and contribute to open source projects. Keep learning via online courses, blogs, and podcasts. Resources and final tips. Here are some free and paid resources to learn big data skills. You can go with Coursera, Cloudera, or Hortonworks free tutorials, some YouTube channels that can help you guide in this area, and also certain blogs that can help you. Consistent learning and hands-on practice will take you far in big data. Keep building projects and connecting with others. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and comment with any questions or topics you want me to cover next. Good luck on your big data journey. See you in the next video.